Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have admin rights, a working internet connection, and the PC model or adapter name at hand. Open Device Manager now and locate the Bluetooth node to see if it exists or shows an error icon. Once done, decide where to get drivers, OEM site for accuracy or Windows Update for convenience, because correct source prevents mismatches and reduces instability. You should remove the old driver first to avoid conflicts. Right-click the Bluetooth device, choose Uninstall Device, and check to remove driver software if prompted. Next, run the OEM installer exe, or extract the driver and use Device Manager Update Driver Browse My Computer let you pick from a list have disk to point to the INF. Make sure to reboot. This finalizes driver registration so Windows can start the adapter cleanly. You finish by enabling Bluetooth in Settings Bluetooth and Devices and pairing a known device to verify connectivity. This confirms radio and stack are working together. If pairing fails, run the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter and ensure Bluetooth support service is running and set to automatic. If instability persists, roll back to the previous driver or install an earlier OEM version. This often resolves regressions caused by a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.